Today I am going to create the rocket engine which will be created from the firework. Which are these? I don't know what it's called, so I'm just going to call it firework. Just firework. To create the engine from these fireworks, I'm going to use this metal pipe. I will seal the metal pipe from one end with the help of a crumble of the paper, and I will leave other end free for moving the exhaust gas outside the engine, which will produce the thrust. As a fuel, I am using the fireworks, which simply I am going to put inside the engine. For the ignition, I am going to use another firework which I will burn outside the engine and then put it inside the engine, which will burn the fuel producing lot of gas. This gas will come rapidly outside the engine producing the thrust. So here's what I got. It burned very well, but there was no thrust produced. It can be because of two reasons. Firstly, there was lot of leakage from the backside of the rocket engine, and there was no nozzle which I made. So I decided to make a nozzle from cardboard, which I just fitted on the end of the engine. Then I tested it with the nozzle. This time it worked pretty well, but there was still lot of leakage from the backside, because of which a lot of gas was leaking out and not enough pressure was created inside the chamber. To solve this problem, I decided to use another chamber which was made from cardboard. I transferred the nozzle from previous engine to this engine. Then again I done another test. It seems to work pretty well, but not much of quality was captured inside the camera because of a lot of the gas produced, and it was so powerful also. Now I decided to use this engine inside a rocket, so I created the rocket and give it a test. Oh. And this was a big failure. The engine didn't work at all and also burned the rocket fins, which was made from cardboard. So next time I'm going to use the sugar as a fuel and potassium nitrate as the oxidizer, and I will build this engine in next video. That's all for today, and thanks for watching.